The much-anticipated KTM 990 RCR has now been revealed in its final form, and it is set to hit the market in the second half of 2025. Powered by the LC8C parallel twin engine, the RCR delivers an impressive 130 PS of power and 103 Nm of torque. The peak power kicks in at 9,500 RPM, while the peak torque is available at 6,750 RPM, ensuring immediate throttle response. Despite its powerful performance, the engine is remarkably light, weighing just 57 kilograms, making the 990 RCR an exceptionally agile machine. The motorcycle's steel frame has been meticulously designed for dynamic performance, with a front-biased weight distribution that enhances handling and stability. The frame incorporates a dedicated 25-degree steering head angle and offset, optimizing steering responsiveness. Increased rigidity ensures the bike remains stable during acceleration on uneven roads or racetracks, while maintaining excellent agility at low speeds. The die-cast aluminum subframe adds to the bike's overall performance. Ergonomics have been a key focus in the design of the KTM 990 RCR, with extensive testing leading to the refinement of the 6 contact points on the fuel tank. This ensures a superior connection between the rider and the bike, facilitating better leaning and tucking in for both comfort and support. Adjustable footrests, a newly shaped fuel tank, and the fully adjustable WP Apex open cartridge suspension all contribute to a comfortable and controlled ride. The lightweight cast aluminum wheels are wrapped in Michelin tires, further enhancing performance. When it comes to braking, the 990 RCR is equipped with Brembo Hyper calipers up front and a Brembo MCS master cylinder, ensuring strong and precise braking power. The bike also features an advanced electronic system, accessible through an 8.8-inch color TFT touchscreen display, giving riders full control over the bike's settings. The 990 RCR is available in KTM Signature Orange and has a track-dedicated version, called the 990 RCR Track, available for those who prioritize performance on the circuit. This version is stripped of street components, lacking lights and license plate holders, and features additional protective elements, a revised fairing, and a full exhaust system, making it fully optimized for track use. In summary, the KTM 990 RCR is a high-performance machine that blends cutting-edge engineering with a focus on rider comfort and agility, setting the stage for an exciting arrival in 2025.